Hey, hey. Stay with me. I just want to hold you. Guys, I'm trying not to be mean to him. But he is so cute. I just want him to stay. So this is where he's sleeping with me most of the time. Hey, stay with me. Hey, can't get you what you want when you want it. And also, in vlog C, it would now be called Cinder, Jupiter, and Charlie channel. Well, that's probably its second channel. He likes my toes. Shut up, Max! Wherever you are. Oh, by the way, Squirt's gone. Hello, Charlie. I love you. Here's a funny meme. You like jazz? So, here's what happened. He and Cinder had a fight. And it was like a play fight. He's very tired right now. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. There we go. He's a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're not a girl. You're a boy. You're not a girl. You're a boy. So, see you later.